Special thanks to this person for suggesting this video idea. If you have a video idea you want me to do, please leave it in the comments below.
Hi, I'm Steven. You probably guessed that by the name of the channel. So I know the comment read, "Eat spicy hot sauce," but you know me. I'm going to go above and beyond with this challenge. I'm going to hate myself after doing this. So being the above and beyond kind of person that I am, what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine each of these different hot sauces and then eat a spoonful of it. And I will only allow myself to get milk after 5 minutes. And for those who don't know me, I am not a spice person in the slightest. So this is going to be hell.
Let's just start with the one that most resembles hot sauce, which is red hot cayenne pepper sauce. We have Tabasco sauce. Oh my god, why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? I hate myself, I hate myself, I hate myself, I hate myself. Sriracha sauce. Oh, that's a lot. That is a lot. And then finally we have chili garlic sauce. I know that I've had this in some recipes before. I'm not even sure if this is going to combine, but I'm just gonna Oh, it smells spicy. Oh God, I am in for pain. You know, the fact that I haven't eaten anything at all today aside from a packet of seaweed is probably gonna make this more painful. I am pouring the milk early because I have no idea just how long I will last with this. I'm really doing this. Why do I make these videos? I will start the timer as soon as I put the hot sauce in my mouth. Oh, that is, ugh. I'm very much regretting my choices to do this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, heat is hot. I have to, oh. Oh, that is spicy. Should I go in? I don't want to waste the rest of this, but I don't want to. I'm not sure if my face is turning red or not, but oh, that is hot. You know what? I might as well just eat the rest of this. So, more pain. Okay, now that I'm, I was about to say that was less spicy, but then it just kicked in. Okay. Spoonful number 3, let's go. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know where the ketchup taste is coming from, but it's there. Okay, let's finish this off. Oh, it's in the back of my throat. Oh. Oh, I'm halfway there, halfway there. Oh. I'm going to consume that entire thing once this is over. My tongue is hurting. Oh my God. I'm actually not sure if my back is actually heating up a lot. Oh. Fuck it. I'm gonna lick the rest of this. That was a fucking mistake. That was a mistake. That was a mistake. Oh God. Oh, I'm less than a minute. Oh my God, this is hot. This is hard. How do people do this? How do people handle the spice? This may not seem very spicy to some people, but I have never eaten spice in basically my entire lifetime. Man, I'm not sure if my face is getting red because I'm looking in the reflection of an oven, but oh, this is hard. Come on. There we go. Oh, I feel so much better, but I could still taste it. Oh, I could still taste the spice in the back of my throat. This was a horrible idea. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please like, you better subscribe for the pain I had to endure, and put video ideas in the comments below. Okay, bye. I'm gonna go drink some ice water.